coming in here and working on all these super awesome airplanes that we have here at Beta.
I don't have a job, I have a passion.
Just to be around airplanes. They're kind of a mythical creature, working on them and being around them, being in them.
It's not like just turning wrenches. I always say it's more of a mindset of your comfort level of keeping aircraft airworthy.
It's a surprise every day, it's a challenge.
It allows me to explore tons of facets of engineering. It allows me to be creative. It allows me to work around airplanes, which I love.
It's like playtime. If I weren't here, I would be, righty, tighty, lefty, loosey on something somewhere.
When we transitioned from piston-driven aircraft to jet aircraft, this is going to be that big of a change.
I can almost guarantee that we learn something new every single day, which try to find a job that you do that.
This engine didn't crank and I replaced the starter, and I'm going to know definitively when I put the battery connections back on and turn the key whether it worked or not.